Who was the first female and first person to bag 2 Nobel Prizes, one each for physics and chemistry? Marie Curie. In which decade was the telephone invented? 1870s. In 1831, electricity became viable for use in technology when created the electric dynamo. Michael Faraday. Who invented the pencil sharpener in 1847? Thierry des Estvaux. Who was not one of the inventors of first solar battery in 1954? Zenobe Graham. Name the scientist of Indian origin who proved that plants too are living organisms. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Who was awarded Emmy for the invention of TV remote? Both of above. For what does the world owe Almond Stroger a debt of gratitude? Automatic telephone exchanges. What did cardiologist Dr. Paul Zoll invent in Massachusetts in 1952? Pacemaker. Where were wigs first invented? Egypt. Who invented the Portland cement in 1824, which still dominates in concrete production? Joseph Aspdin. Corn flakes, who made them first? Kellogg. Who was an English scientist scientifically established the fact that no two fingerprints were alike in 1892? Sir Francis Gallen. Who was the English seismologist and geologist invented the first modern seismograph? John Milne. Which Italian chemist first invented nitroglycerin, a highly volatile liquid, in 1846? Ascanio Sobrero. Who invented the first process of mass production of steel inexpensively in 1850? Sir Henry Bessemer. Who was the first to suggest that the galaxies are moving away from the Earth? Edwin P. Hubble. Who was the first American female to patent her invention, a method of weaving straw with silk? Mary Keyes. For whom high-heeled shoes were invented? King Louis XIV. Who was one of the world's renowned biochemists, developed a method for the synthesis of RNA and DNA? Hargobind Khorana. Who invented the successful tire with a combination of tire and air-filled inner tube in 1911? Philip Strauss. What treat was invented by 11-year-old Frank Epperson in 1905? Popsicle. What Carl Benz invented? Gasoline-powered automobile. For what is Charles Babbage, 1792 to 1871, remembered? Computers. Name the first Indian lady scientist and first Indian woman to get Ph.D. from Cambridge, discovered the presence of cytochrome in plant tissue. Kamla Sohni. What brand of air conditioners were named after its inventor? Carrier. What Enrico Fermi invented? Nuclear reactor. Which Englishman invented the machine gun in 1718? James Puckle. Which was the first company to be patented the discovery of the first synthetic fiber called polymer in 1939 at the USA? DuPont. Which insurance salesman invented the fountain pen in 1884? Louis Edson Waterman. Who was the first scientist to declare that the Earth revolves around the Sun? Copernicus. When was Monopoly created? 1930s. Who was the first astronomer royal, corrected all the astronomical tables used in the 17th century, who was also known as the father of modern astronomy? John Flamsteed. Who invented bifocal lens? Benjamin Franklin. Who invented the railway engine? George Stephenson. Who is the English physicist responsible for the Big Bang theory? George Gamow. Who was the French doctor first to invent a wooden tube to listen to patients' lungs and hearts, later developed by others to create a stethoscope? René Laennec. Who invented airship, rigid? G. Ferdinand von Zeppelin. Who was the US mechanical engineer who invented the first modern practical typewriter in 1868? Christopher Latham Scholes. What furniture item was invented by California furniture designer Charles Pryor Hall in 1968? Waterbed. Which engineer at Xerox Co. adapted Xerox copier technology adding laser beam to it to come up with a laser printer in 1971? Gary Starkweather. The unit of capacitance is named after whom, who also made the dynamo? Michael Faraday. Who was the assistant of Galileo Galilei who invented the barometer, an instrument for measuring atmospheric pressure? Evangelista Torricelli. What is the name of the Caltech seismologist who invented the scale used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes? Charles Richter. Who invented the first controllable flying airplane? Wright brothers. What Elisha Otis invented? The brake used in modern elevators. Which Belgian surgeon dissected the human body to make the first major study of anatomy in the 16th century? Andreas Vesalius. Which American invented the MRI, magnetic resonance image, scanning machine in 1977? Raymond V. Damadian. Who was a Dutchman, first to describe the red corpuscles in blood, RBC? A.V. Leeuwenhoek. Underscore 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 underscore. Parachute.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates.